Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a quick shake transition effect using Capcut. Okay, let's get started. First, just import your clips and your music, then mark the beats of the music by going to beat. This one. You can mark them automatically with auto-generate or do it manually while playing the music. After that, just match its clips durations to the beats like this. And then just adjust the speed of your clips by customize it on the curve and make the graph speed like this. And then just apply this speed to all clips. Next, add keyframes at the start and end of each clips like this. Then zoom in on the clips at the end keyframes. Maybe like this. After that, just apply a graph to clips. And then choose flow 2, this one. After that, just repeat this step for all your clips. And now add an effect. Just go to effects, video effects, and then search for bad TV. This one. Adjust the durations like this. Go to objects and all videos. And add keyframes at the start and end of the effects like this. And then just set the intensity to maximum at the start and 0 at the end like this. And then just duplicate the effects to make it stronger. And then just duplicate again and position it across all clips like. Last, add an animations to its clips. Just go to animations and choose N, and then search for rock horizontally. And then just repeat this step for all clips. And here's the final result. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!